Learning of mathematics can be simplified by performing activities. So, students today will perform an activity to verify the result. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. To begin with, let us find out what is a polygon. Yes, a polygon is a closed geometrical figure having more than two sides. Here we consider a three-sided figure, that is a triangle. In this triangle, we extend the sides of the triangle to obtain exterior angles, namely angle 1, and similarly we extend the second side to obtain exterior angle 2, and third side is again extended here to form exterior angle 3. After this, we prepare replicas of these exterior angles. For that, we use tracing paper and glazed papers. This way, we place it over this and we mark these angles. Now, to prepare the replica of this angle, we take the glazed paper and we cut out an angle for our verification. In this manner, we prepare replicas of our exterior angles, and thus we have prepared the replicas in the same manner. This is our angle, exterior angle 1, and this is the replica of our exterior angle 2. Here comes the replica of our exterior angle 3. Now, students, we had to verify that sum of these three exterior angles form a complete angle, that is, the sum should be 360 degrees. For that, we pick up these replicas of exterior angles. This is angle 1. Here comes the replica of angle 2, and this is the replica of angle 3. And we find that yes, it forms a complete angle. This verifies our result that sum of the exterior angles of a triangle results in 360 degrees. Now, let us verify this result for quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral has 4 sides. In the same manner, we extend the sides of the quadrilateral in this manner, and we obtain the exterior angles angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and this is exterior angle 4. In a similar manner, we prepare the replicas of these exterior angles, and this forms replica of exterior angle 1. Here is the replica of exterior angle 2. This is the replica of exterior angle 3. And here comes the replica of exterior angle 4. Now, we had to verify that sum of these exterior angles is 360 degrees. For that, again we pick up the replica of exterior angle 1. Here comes the exterior angle 2, and this is the replica of exterior angle 3. Similarly, this is the replica of exterior angle 4. What do we observe? Yes, they too result in the sum of 360 degrees. Now, having verified it for triangle and quadrilateral, we shall look into other polygons too. For example, we have a hexagon here. This has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In a similar pattern, we extend the sides of the hexagon to obtain exterior angle 1, and here exterior angle 2, Similarly, exterior angle 3, exterior angle 4, and here when extended this forms exterior angle 5 and respectively angle 6. Now, to verify the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon to be 360 degrees, we again have prepared the replicas of these angles. You can see here this is angle 1, here comes replica of exterior angle 2, this is the replica of exterior angle 3, here comes the replica of exterior angle 4, this is the replica of exterior angle 5, and here comes the replica of exterior angle 6. Now, students, to verify that the sum of all these exterior angles taken in order results in 360 degrees, for verification we arrange them here. This is replica of exterior angle 1, this is replica of exterior angle 2, replica of exterior angle 3, this is replica of exterior angle 4, this comes the replica of exterior angle 5, and you can see this is replica of exterior angle 6. Students, what do you observe? We observe that the sum of all these angles is 360 degrees. It forms a complete angle, and hence our result is verified that sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees. You can verify this result for any polygon of your choice. Thank you.